Hey, y'all. This is Tony. I'm here with another, I guess you could say baking video. So I just want to show y'all what I'm making today. I actually have some oatmeal raisin cookie balls. I have 11 of these. And I have my handy dandy red silicone jumbo muffin pans to bake them into. The reason why I'm going to bake them into these because when I actually bake them on the regular cookie sheet, they come big like these paper plates, like these styrofoam plates. And I don't want, I mean, they're like 6 inches, real big giant cookies, which is fine. I have the bags for that. I have the bags to pack them up when I ship my cookies out and that kind of thing. But I don't always want the big giant cookies. So I was trying to make them a little bit smaller. And like I said, this muffin pan, and you can get you one of these muffin pans to, of course, bake your cookies in as well. The link is going to be, the product link is going to be in this video as well so that you can click on it and get your own set. I actually have 3 of these. But like I said, definitely you can order you 3 or just get the set of 2 is fine. But like I said, I'm definitely going to be baking my cookies in these because it makes it easier for the cookies to not spread so much and just bake into this pan, and they'll be like really thick. So I'm fine with the thickness, but just not with the wide spread, just all the way out, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and get into this, y'all. And I didn't mention, but I have lightly greased each one just to make sure the cookies do not stick. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna put the cookie balls into the pans exactly the way that they are. And these are 5-ounce cookie balls, y'all. That's the first one. And here is the last one. Okay, y'all, I'm over here at the stove. The stove has been on 350 for a little while, so I know it's warm. But I put the the muffin tins, I guess my cookie tins today, or cookie silicone pans on top of this metal pan, this cookie sheet. And I'll put that link in this video as well so you all can pick up some. I have a set of 3. So this is the larger one. So like I said, both of them are going on there. And then we're just going to put this bad boy into the oven. Sticking it on in the oven. Hot. Right. There we go. So y'all, I'll be back after they get baked and show y'all what happens and how they look afterwards. It'll probably take about a good 20 minutes or so. So I'll be back in 20 minutes, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm actually about to take these cookies out the oven. So let me get my thing. So I gotta get them out the oven, y'all. Okay. Woo, hotness. I smell them cooking. I hope they didn't burn too bad. I'm like, Lord Jesus, I was over there doing something else. But that's all right. Let me show y'all these. All right. Like I said, they look doggone good, y'all. And like I said, I'm going to have to wait until these bad boys cool down. So they're going to take probably about an hour to cool. And then I'll come back and show y'all how they look flipped outside of this pan. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. The cookies have cooled as much as they can right now. They're still sitting on the cookie sheet. Let me show y'all these. I got them flipped upside down because that's how I took them out. But like I said, that's how. These are probably about 2.5, maybe 3 inches thick. But like I said, I wanted to do something different and make them a different way because they were spreading out too much. So this is how it is when you, of course, pick it up. So like I said, it's a thick oatmeal raisin cookie. I like these, but I'm not sure if I want to stick with these. I may just get the cookie rings and make them in that instead. We'll see. But I actually like this because I can put something inside. So we'll see. We'll see, y'all. But like I said, these are the oatmeal raisin cookies. And like I said, they're were made in my big jumbo muffin pan. Like I said, I'll link the muffin pan, rather, in the video so that you can get your own too. Like I said, you can make cupcakes in here, of course, muffins, cookies, whatever kind of things you want to bake. Because I've even made like those little egg, what are they called? They're not quiches, but like they had like bacon and eggs and stuff like that, like little egg muffins. I guess you want to say, I guess inside those pans too. So like I said, definitely get some. You can create all types of stuff in there, even little mini cheesecakes or muffin-sized cheesecakes, because I've done that too. So y'all, with that, y'all, I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. Again, this your girl Tony, or Tanetta. And of course, I don't think I said my business. My business that I have at home is called Cookies and Ish. So, like I said, that's what I'm baking all this stuff for and getting things ready. I have an event coming up, and of course, I sell cookie boxes as well to ship out. So, if you want any of that, besides, of course, getting your own jumbo muffin pan, if you want want some more information just about the cookie business altogether, you can click the link in my bio and check it out as well. So, with that, y'all, I'm gonna bag these up as soon as they are all the way cool. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.